Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Amy Sarah, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to me if you guys like my videos. Today we're going to do a cute little K-pop makeup tutorial. I've always loved K-pop, at least all their makeup and stuff, and I've recently just gotten into their music as well. So I like to start off with skincare because that's the most important thing of any Korean makeup routine is the skincare. So I just go in with this toner and it smells really good, it smells like roses. And then a nice hydrating serum. And then I also love their moisturizer. I just recently got this and it's great for sensitive skin, and the company is also vegan and cruelty free. Then I like to use Innisfree's Aquafit cushion, which is a BB cushion which also has SPF 40 in it, and it just makes my face really bright and evens out my skin tone. And I just go in and put that everywhere and use it as concealer as well. Next, I use the translucent loose setting powder from Laura Mercier. Can't go wrong with this one. And of course, while we want this look to be dewy, we also don't want to look like a pancake of oil. So I use this brow definer to go in and make my brows really straight and thick, because that's like the more cute look that K-pop stars tend to have when they're going for their cute, innocent look. And I just set that in place with clear mascara. If I didn't do this, by the end of the day, my brows would look so crazy. So I use this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and this just preps my eyelids for eyeshadow, and it helps the eyeshadow stay all day. I use this sparkly sort of rose gold eyeshadow all over my lid as a wash from Nature Republic, going for that sparkly yet natural look. And then I'm just going to use the shade Naked in the Urban Decay Naked palette to define my whatever little crease that I happen to have in my eyes. Next, I just use this highlight to go in and highlight my inner corners and also just that little front part of my eyelid, like right underneath the crease. Here's me about to attempt to do eyeliner on camera, and I'm not great at it. So there you go, magically it's done. And I kind of just drew it downwards to give it more that innocent look. And then I'm using this eye pencil from NYX in the color Yogurt to give my eyes that happy, puffy look underneath, which is really popular with Korean makeup. And I just use highlighter to emphasize that. Next, I do my mascara, also something that I'm not great at on camera. So there's just the little side of my face that you get to see. But basically, I just curl my lashes and coat it with mascara until I am satisfied. Next, I'm going to just contour my nose with the same pencil that I used for my eyebrows. I really like reusing products like this. Then I'm going to use this glossy cloud paint in the color Haze to give myself more of a rosy glow, but not too much, just something light. Next, I'm going to use the MAC lipstick in Russian Red to give myself a gradient lip. So I started by covering my lips a little bit with the BB cushion, putting on the lipstick, and then covering up the edges again, and just blending everything out with my fingers. So that's the completed makeup look, and now I'm going to attempt to put my hair up into two cute little space buns, but this is really hard with my long hair. My hair is down to my hips now, but you can't really tell. And this is the completed look. In the comments below, tell me your favorite K-pop artist or group. I really like ITZY, TWICE, Blackpink, NCT 127, BTS, Day 6. Does Day 6 count as K-pop? I think it's more K-rock. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.